If you want to create private Discord text and voice channels, this tutorial will walk you through the exact steps in a simple and beginner-friendly way. Private channels are great for moderators, team members, VIP groups, or any server where you want to control who can see and join a conversation. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create both private text channels and private voice channels in Discord. And if this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Discord tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Discord web in your browser and sign in if you are not already logged in. Once you're inside Discord, open the server where you want to create the private channel. Make sure you are in the correct server before you continue, because the channel will be created inside that server. Now, look at the channel list on the left side. Find a category where you want the new channel to go, then click the plus icon next to that category. This opens the channel creation window. If you don't already have a category, you can still create the channel in the main server area, but using a category keeps things much more organized. To create a private text channel, select text channel from the available options. Next, give the channel a clear name. For example, you could call it private chat, staff chat, announcements private, or anything that matches your purpose. Choosing a name that makes sense will help you and your team stay organized later. After naming the channel, turn on the private channel toggle. This is the key step that makes the channel hidden from everyone who is not allowed to access it. Once the private setting is enabled, click Next to continue. On the next screen, Discord will ask you who should be able to access the channel. Here, you can choose specific roles or individual members. This is where you decide exactly who can view and send messages in the private channel. If you want only moderators to see it, select the moderator role. If you want just a few users to have access, choose those members one by one. Take a moment to double check your permissions before you finish. This part matters because it controls the privacy of the channel. Once everything looks correct, click Create Channel. Your private text channel will now be created and ready to use. If you want to create a private voice channel too, the process is almost the same. Click the plus icon next to the category again to open the channel creation window. This time, select voice channel, then type a name for the channel such as private voice, team call, or staff meeting, depending on what you plan to use it for. Just like with the text channel, turn on the private channel toggle. This ensures only approved users can see and join the voice room. After that, click Next and choose the roles or members who should be allowed into the voice channel. You can give access to a team role, a specific group of friends, or only selected users, depending on your server setup. When you're satisfied with the access list, click Create Channel. Your private voice channel will appear in the server, and only the people you selected will be able to join. That's it. You've now created both a private text channel and a private voice channel in Discord. If you ever need to change access later, you can always go into the channel settings and adjust the permissions. That makes it easy to add new members, remove access, or reorganize your server as it grows. Private channels are one of the best ways to keep your Discord server secure, clean, and well managed. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more Discord how-to videos just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.